We've got right now what's going to be a pretty nice start to the day. We're starting off this morning with the temperatures in the 60s. If you're heading up to the mountains, obviously it's a Friday, very common to get up there this weekend. We'll be in the 50s at about 10 o'clock, mild start, and then by about 3, 70s with scattered storms and showers. So get up there early. We are going to see storms developing in the mountains as early as about 12 o'clock. Down here across the plains, it's a nice mild start. 68 right now. It's actually a few degrees warmer than where we were yesterday. Waiting on that sunrise, and we are going to see a little mix of sun and clouds for it this morning. Right now we're at 66 in Commerce City, 62 in Arvada with some mid to upper 50s as you head a little farther west. Evergreen right now at 52. You can see a few of the showers up across northeastern Colorado this morning. We are seeing a bit more cloud cover there. It's going to be a little bit darker up to the northeast. And when it comes to that risk of severe weather today, it's just a little sliver, but it does cover from the Palmer Divide, Monument Hill, all the way north up through Denver into Fort Collins. So there is going to be a chance that one or two of these storms, it's a slim chance, but a few could produce some gustier wind, some damaging wind, also potentially a little larger hail right here along the Front Range. So we'll be keeping a pretty close eye on that through the afternoon. And timing wise, here's what it looks like. And again, you can see some of the clouds up to the northeast this morning. We should be in the mid 70s by about 10:30. At that point yesterday, we were already near 90 degrees. So it was a really big warm up yesterday. Today, it's a good 10 to 12 degrees cooler. But you'll notice again, right around 12 to about 1 o'clock, the mountains will already start to see a few storms and showers. Those are then going to move east. We're going to see through early afternoon scattered activity that lasts through the early evening. That's at about 7 to 8 o'clock, with temperatures then back down into the 70s once those storms roll through. So it's going to be quite a bit cooler and feel almost a little fall-like later on tonight as things cool down. Early tomorrow, Saturday, 8 o'clock, we should be in the mid to upper 60s tomorrow morning, and then tomorrow afternoon, 80s, but then a cooling trend as those storms roll through. So there is going to be a chance for a few storms each afternoon this weekend. So here's a look at the Super 7-day. It also cools things down for us nicely. Some low to mid 80s for the next 3 days, with a few more thunderstorms possible on Sunday. Next week looks awesome. Now, our overnight lows are going to be in the low to mid 50s, quite a bit cooler. And then toward the end of next week, it does look like we're going to see highs potentially only in the 70s on Thursday. It's a little hint of fall, Jason, as we get into mid-September. Mid-September already.
Yes,
wow.
I know.